on fine. And then I was doing the background in this damask pattern in red, and then going over the top with what I just started, which is more of like a floral pattern, which is gonna have more detail. And we'll see how that's gonna work out, because red comes forward and blue recedes. So I've done red in the background and blue in the foreground. I'm gonna do some more jazz to this flower, because right now I don't even know if it's reading as a flower, more as like some sort of eye gunk. And then I started doing it there, but bringing in like different colors. And one of the things, when I was using the hairdryer, I blew the mask entirely off the table, and through doing that, it got some of these drips and different, more like chaotic elements. So I think I want to play with that more purposefully. So just making it more chaotic as the flower. So this is the finished mask, and since halfway I did all these yellow and white drips by putting a lot of paint on, and then blew it with the hairdryer or myself to get these like spatters. And that's my favorite part of it, to be honest. I like that kind of chaotic element. And then I gave her some lashes because, you know, it's a party mask, so she's going out. So yeah, it kind of ended up looking to me like the mask version of hay fever, with like pollen attacking on top of the flowers, but then you still have to go to a party, so you put a lash on. If I were to do it again, maybe I would practice using the pens first, because I did not do that. And other than that, I wouldn't change anything, because it's perfect. You can find me, David Puck Artist, on most platforms, mostly Instagram and YouTube.